Omuramuzi Samuel Mokoro birabembere koteji ashangire ngu aba bakahenda iteka lya section 198 hamwe na 199 ya Penal Code Act obito mukikurogu cyababa wa government Isaac Onyango n'wabira lyo mushangogu kandi abahorereza babire bebembere Felix bakanyebonera okurwo mu bakanyebonera and company advocates abahorereza babire bashabire ngu koti mukankuse kifubiro cyeho abo kugira ngu nareberera abana mukaga bito omuramuza yanjere arukoreka ngu eki yakozere kigwire.
In favor of the convicts, however, I'll take into consideration the period that they spent on remand during the course of this trial, and also take into consideration the provisions of the Constitution, sentencing guidelines for courts of judicature, practice directions that places the starting point for a sentence in murder at 35 years, with the aggravating factors increasing the sentence.
Omuramuzi yajumire na niyo nzima ahabo kwetaba mukwita omuntu aroze kikaye cyabire kitamukwasireho.
As for A2, who carried out the evil assignment with A3, is a young man who ought to have known better that acting as executioner in a family feud that did not concern him would only end in trouble for him, and this is exactly what has happened. I am of the considered opinion that he does not deserve any mercy.
Aho niwe Mokoro arangirire ngu aba bakome emyaka 30 kandi basharweho obwiro bamaziro mu nkomo ubwo mushango gubenu guhurirwa.
It was almost a perfect murder, and were it not for the skill and diligence of the investigating team and prosecutors, she might have gotten away with it. I therefore hold the firm view that there is need to deter the convict.
Tushikire kisoro utushanjiro mutura Alex Hakiza otugambiro kucyabire obwo mukikurogu yitwa.
Now on opening the windows by breaking, they found bloody flow of blood from the other corner where he took the other bed. Now when they reached there, they found the vehicle is finished.
Ondijo wayijumbiro mukwita ko mukikurogu Brian Hakizamana w'emyaka 22 akaba yikirizo mushango kare kandi uwe akacwerwe emyaka 30. Gasha kwa Job namanya na Keta tuzarirwe.